Hello, my name is Reese Lloyd, SolidFire Product Manager at NetApp. I'm ready to show you how quick and simple it is to grow your SolidFire system and keep your cloud infrastructure up and running. One of SolidFire's key differentiators is the simplicity of its scale-out growth. The cluster we are adding to today can grow up to 100 nodes, mixing sizes and generations. No matter the scale, the cluster will pool performance and capacity across the entire cluster, evenly balancing volumes across all nodes. At full scale, your SolidFire cluster can offer a pool of over 3.5 petabytes of raw capacity and 10 million IOPS of performance presented to thousands of applications running simultaneously on your cluster. Let's get this node added to the cluster. I'm racking the 1U node into the standard pre-wired rack. Each node has all the hardware pre-installed, so all I need to do after racking each node is insert 2 power cables, 2 10 gig Ethernet cables, and 2 1 gig Ethernet cables. Because the storage and management networks have been pre-configured, I just have to assign the IPs and cluster the nodes. I do this via terminal access and subsequently open a web browser to the management IP. I've opened my browser to the cluster management IP, and you can see that the node I just set up is visible to the cluster. Now we will add the node to the cluster and then add its drives. As your demands grow, you can just as easily install additional nodes of any size to meet your needs for performance or capacity. With the RAID-less, scale-out nature of the SolidFire architecture, this addition only requires configuring the network settings on the new nodes and adding them into the cluster. This same capability allows for mixed generations of nodes to run in the same cluster, allowing for non-disruptive hardware refreshes. SolidFire's scale-out pool architecture also enables always-on efficiencies. Deduplication, compression, and thin provisioning are always there working in the background to maximize the ROI on your physical infrastructure. On top of this cloud-ready infrastructure, you then layer a suite of data management features like cloning, snapshots, replication, and deep integrations with VMware, OpenStack, and others. All told, you have a storage system designed from the ground up for your next-generation data center. NetApp's portfolio empowers customers to simplify and integrate data management in order to accelerate digital transformation. Together with our partners, we provide a full range of data services to help global organizations unleash the full potential of their data to expand customer touchpoints, foster greater innovation, and optimize their operations. For more information, visit netapp.com.